In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious radish cream cheese appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 radishes shredded, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a baguette sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of green onions. To the shredded radishes, we're going to add in the salt and we're going to mix until evenly combined. We're going to place the baguette slices onto a baking sheet and then we're going to brush both sides of each slice with the melted butter. Bake these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. We're going to take the softened cream cheese and we're going to mix together until smooth. Add in the pepper and the lemon juice. Add in the green onions and mix until evenly combined. We're going to add in the shredded radishes to a strainer and we're going to press it through until there's no moisture left. Once there's no moisture left, we're going to add it to the cream cheese mixture. Mix everything together until combined. Once the baguette slices are out of the oven, we're going to take our radish cream cheese mixture and spread it onto each of the slices. Our radish cream cheese appetizer recipe is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.